eyes, lower eyelid, upper eyelid. These motor skills will require a little bit more focus and concentration. So the trick is to take your time with the warm-up postures, because you want to relax the neural system so you can sense and communicate clearly for muscle contraction and relaxation. This will heighten your senses so you can detect excessive chronic contraction that might be caused by reading on the phone with too much sun, or the light is not right on the screen. So take your time with the warm-up, repeat if you need to, and be patient with yourself. Let's begin. Start with a full inhale, belly, chest. Bring the breath through the neck, through the face, to the top of the head. Visualize. And exhale. Soften the breath through the face, eyebrows, cheek, chin, neck, shoulders. Follow the breath to the tailbone. Straight spine. As you inhale, roll left ear to left shoulder. Keep inhaling, lift the chin towards the ceiling, gaze up, full breath, chin high. Exhale, roll right ear, right shoulder. Keep the spine straight, roll, tuck the chin. Inhale, straight spine, left ear, left shoulder, chin rolling up towards the ceiling. Big inhale, big lift, and exhale, roll, left ear, left shoulder, tuck the chin. Inhale, breath, a wave through the chest, with the hands as the breath moves to the chest, through the face, and release the fingers. Exhale, half moon. So lean to your left, keep the spine straight. As you breathe, inhale here, belly, chest, lengthen through the right arm, and exhale, soften to the left. Lean back a little. Inhale, back up to the center, full stretch, full breath. Exhale, half moon to your right. Keep the shoulders and hips square to the front. Pause, take another breath. Belly, chest, arm, shoulders, fingers, face. Full breath, full reach, and exhale, sink into your right side. Inhale, breath, a wave through the chest, with the hands as the breath moves to the chest, through the face, and release the fingers. Exhale, half moon. So lean to your left, keep the spine straight. As you breathe, inhale here, belly, chest, lengthen through the right arm, and exhale, soften to the left. Lean back a little. Inhale, back up to the center, full stretch, full breath. Exhale, half moon to your right. Keep the shoulders and hips square to the front. Pause, take another breath. Belly, chest, arm, shoulders, fingers, face. Full breath, full reach, and exhale, sink into your right side. Back up to the center, neutral, full breath, full stretch, exhale, cactus. Soften the breath through the face, shoulders, neck, spine, tailbone. Inhale, breathe through the spine, lightly place, lift, and lightly assist. Full inhale, full lift. And exhale, soften the muscle and assist with the finger. Place the pinky finger, lower center eyelid. The breath moves through the eye, lightly lift and assist. Exhale, soften the eyebrow and lightly soften with the finger. The breath in the finger, outer lower eyelid, lightly press. Now breathe, lift and assist, full breath, full lift, and exhale. Press, lift and assist. full breath, full lift, exhale, soften. Breath goes into tailbone. Flow with the breath. Inhale. Lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, 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 look up. Exhale, slowly roll the eyes with the breath to the right. Finish the exhale, gazing down. To your left, follow the breath. Full inhale, full look up. Exhale, opposite direction. Roll to the left on the exhale. Finish the exhale, look down. Inhale, roll up to the right. Full inhale, full look up. Soften the eyebrows and the forehead. And exhale, center. Inhale, plant the fingers on the neck. As you inhale, lift the fingers lightly across the skin. Exhale, softly down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Large inhale, wave through the spine. So we breathe from the tailbone to the chest. Lift the wave of breath through the neck, through the face, activating the nerves in the face, through the eyes, forehead, top of the head. And as you exhale, visualize the muscles relaxing in the forehead, the brows, the face, light smile on the lips, soften the jaw, neck muscles, shoulder, chest, and follow the breath into the tailbone. Ending with symmetric eyebrows, light smile,